How to restrict downloading of shared files in Google Drive. This tutorial shows you how to stop people you've shared a file with from downloading, printing, or copying it. First, open Google Drive in Chrome on your computer. After that, right-click on the file you want to restrict. Let me show you. From there, click on Share from the menu that appears. At this point, click on the gear icon in the top right corner of the Share window. In the next step, uncheck the box labeled Viewers and Commenters can see the option to download, print, and copy. Following this, click on the gear icon again to close these settings. Once done, click on Done to save your changes. From here, anyone with view or comment access will now see those options grayed out when they open the file. Keep in mind, this restriction doesn't apply to editors. Anyone with edit access can still download, print, or copy the file. Finally, come back to this same Share menu anytime you want to turn these restrictions on or off. And that's it. If this guide helped you restrict downloading of shared files in Google Drive, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.